Morning, everybody. Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Wednesday, January 29th. Relatively quiet night in the overnight session. We're down in the neighborhood of around 2 cents in the wheat, corn, soybeans, down around 50 cents in the soybean meal, and down around 10 points in the soybean oil. We're still, me personally, want to go and say we're still hovering below the 450 threshold of corn to go and try and see if we're going to have any sustained rally above that, and or we're still staying below the 1350 area in the soybeans, that being the nearby contract. The market is still kind of sinking a little bit in here. In the overnight trade, we're still looking at the weather. South America continues to get the rains. Argentina's doing okay, so there's no problem area over there. Brazil's doing okay right there. The other thing that we're still watching about South America is what's going on with the farmer sell rate. The farmer sell rate is still not coming all that conducive to give us, that being the U.S., a reprieve of our carryout levels, but once again, we're still trying to monitor that. Also looking ahead, we're going to have an ethanol number that's going to come out later on this morning. We're going to see if we're going to continue with our exports. We're also going to have our export sales coming in and out tomorrow. The other thing is that here's a trend that's started to develop here. We canceled all our Kansas City registrations, and that being the wheat. Now we're starting to cancel all the Chicago wheat registrations. I think that that's a very important point to go and look forward to go and see if there's going to be a trend developing there as far as spreads and or what's going on while we're canceling all these wheat registrations. After that, Chinese are going to be on a holiday coming on up at the end of the week. So in other words, the markets are going to be kind of quieting on down. What's going to happen when the Chinese come on back after the holidays? Have they front-loaded all their buying purchases? And then, once again, 450 corn, 1350 beans, kind of quieting on down and coming on down and easing. Fast forward, the USDA is going to be out at the end of the month, that being at the end of February, with their new crop projections as far as supply and demand tables go. Once again, a non-bullish environment. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS.